Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joy Morrison, also known as R Brownie. So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how I make this hand embroidery. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to my channel if it's the first time of visiting, and also stay tuned for more awesome videos and check out my other videos if you find this video helpful. I'm so anxious. Alright guys. Okay guys, so over here I have a measuring tape, a marker, pen, scissors, and also I made that so I went on to carve out the shape of the rose I wanted because I didn't want to like cut whatever. So I went on to carve out the rose, and it's not perfect, but it's beautiful. uh So after carving it, drawing it out, I used my scissors to cut it. A very sharp scissors, guys. It has to be really sharp, really sharp, and it came out looking like this. Boom! I'm good, yeah. So I got my rolls, baby wools, yeah, and my needle, and my, my, what they call this material? Shit, I forgot. I know it's a net material. Yeah. If I'm not correct, you can leave a comment down below if you know the name of the material. Okay. Moving on. I wanted to measure this, but no, I just folded and cut the good. Bam, and it came out looking like this because I'm going to use it for my hair bonnet video, which I haven't uploaded yet, but I'll upload it very soon, so wait for that video. You will love it. So tracing down on the net material, my beautiful flower, yay, and boom, came out looking this gorgeous. And placing on my already made I don't know the name of it. If you know the name of it, just drop it down below because I don't know the name of it. So I took my needle and my red wool and go through it. If you notice, I didn't tie the end because just in case I make mistake, I could correct. Bill. Then from the bottom, I sewed my way up. First of all, you have to trace the design of whatever you want to design. You have to like trace it, which I did at first. I traced my flowers round with my red wool. Yeah, I traced it around the flower. Yeah, so it took, oh god, it took so much of my time, guys. Moving on, tracing. I took a green thread to trace down the, I just wanted to like add colors to it. Yeah, and boom, it came out looking beautiful too. Yeah, we move. So I went ahead to trace a circle using a cover. Yeah, and I added some beauty to it. Like I really traced it out using my red wool. Yeah. And guys, in tightening of this, you have to really tighten it because any mistake you have to start afresh. Okay, so doing the same, I needed to, like, when we were in secondary school, no, sorry, when we were in kindergarten, they make us to color inside the circle. So that's what we're gonna be doing, but we're gonna be using our wool to like color inside the circle. Yeah, you have to do it carefully, following the lines one after the other without making mistakes. If you make mistake, it's okay to lose and start again because you want something beautiful. Okay, moving on. Yeah, I kept on doing that continuously, and it came out looking this beautiful. Yep, I'm done with one part. So yeah, the same way you have to continue non-stop. You have to close in every you have to shade. We did shading in nursery school, so yeah. So going on, I added my green. It keeps shading. So guys, I did mostly everything off the camera, but you get what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah, because it took me 2 days. Yes, because yeah, 2 days. Most of them I did on camera for you to see. And if you notice, I made a mistake here. I loosed up, straight up, take out from the back, fix it back to the needle, and we move. Yeah, we move. We continue. You see why I say don't tie your thread till you finish. Voila. So we continued sewing and going over this over again, and we came out looking like this. Yay! We are 95% complete. So I added my yellow into the open circle. Yeah. And beautiful, right? So yay! This is like my 5th time trying this out. Like, I tried. We're good. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more awesome video. I love you.